Welcome back to the Crochet Credits with my friends at yarnspirations.com. Today we're going to go through the decrease. So some of the letters, when it starts to come around, has a decrease. The decrease can be on either side. It can be on the beginning of a row or it can be on the end. And what we're doing is we're eliminating out a stitch, and usually this helps us to keep the shaping in order to make that happen. Let's discover this stitch. So let's go, you chain up one, and we say we're going to put the first two together. So going into the first stitch, pull through, hold it, go into the next stitch, in, pull through. You will see 3 loops on the hook, pull through all 3. That means that the first and the second now just became one and now just have a top, so we've eliminated out 1 stitch. And so you can zip along all the way. This never happens in the middle of the letter, only on the edging that you'll see. So I'll show you what it looks like on the other side when it's at the end of the row in a moment. When you're coming up to the end of the row, you'll be able to see the last 2 stitches. And so you'll do the same thing. So go into the next one, pull through, and then go into your last one, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and the 2 last stitches just became one with the top on there. So whether it's on the beginning of a row or ending of the row, the product is still the same. You're eliminating out 1 stitch.